Hello, my name is Yushen. I'm here with my groupmate Brian and Nathan to present our final release of the VRTK demo.
Alright guys, hey, this is group 11. This is our cubicle area. Now let's go check out some cubicles. So the first one over here is we got Nathan. We got, as you can see, that here is all of his one of his custom models on that shelf. And here we are. We see most of these objects here have a physics. Maybe this chair, you can move this chair. Maybe pick up this phone as well, which should play a sound as well, right? Cool. And then some of these are like have all these physics. Let's try to play this radio.
I based the activate or deactivate game object prefab from the warehouse doors buttons, where the on switch sets the game object as active, which was previously hidden, or hide the game object if it was set to active. This prefab was used for the radio switch and laptop switch.
Cool. Alright, so basically here we have these basketball spawner that can spawn basketballs. The one on the right will spawn the basketballs. The one on the left despawns these.
I built a custom script for VRTK based on the warehouse door script as seen on the farm scene example from VRTK. I wanted to be able to spawn an object or despawn an object when I hit the spawn button or the despawn button. The script takes in two game objects: the parent game object, where all the game objects are stored under, and the other game object, which is the object that contains the object to spawn. Another field that the person can manipulate is how many objects they are able to spawn onto the world. This prefab was used to spawn or despawn basketballs.
And each of them all have their own physics. Alright, let's go. Oop. I missed. Anyways, let's go to the next cubicle. So next cubicle would be Yushin's, right? So he has an Enderman here, he got a Pac-Man, a Pokemon ball, a Kirby, and so forth. So some of these things could be pickable, like this book and this Pokeball. This Pac-Man and this Kirby. Nice. And let's check out what he got to play on his radio. Pretty cool, right? And let's check this out. Oh, what is this? Oh. Some Avengers themed thing, right? Thor's hammer. All right, let's go check out my cubicle. So this is my cubicle. As you can see, there's like one of my assistants there, and we have here most of these items here you could pick up, and they would make a sound. Here we can press this laptop button, and it would turn it on. Nice. Oh. I mean, we also have this Game Boy Advance. And here's my radio. Cool. So now let's show the feature where we can get smaller here, or larger. So this button would make us grow larger in our player height, and this would make us shrink. And that button over there is when we do want to become a normal size player again.
How we changed the player size was that we calculated the size of the player and changed the scale by using a C# script. All the functionality of the buttons would be found in our script folder under the assets directory.
So let's try the shrinking player button. Wow, cool, right? So essentially, we can pick up all these like cool little neat objects here that Nathan has left for us to take a look at. Oh, let's see mine as well. Oh, I guess that one won't want to be picked up. Anyways. Cool. Alright, so let's try to go back to our normal player height. Nice. So now let's try to get larger and see what from a larger scale. Wow, just look at that. You can see all of our office, the ceiling's gone now, and we can have an aerial view of all of our cubicles. Nice. Cool.